With over 2 billion subscribers worldwide, WhatsApp became one of the leading messaging platforms to date. Not only does it help people communicate, it also provides opportunities for businesses to market their products and services through the application. Curious how to do this? In this video, we're going to show you on ways on how to use WhatsApp for marketing. Messaging apps are a usual part of our everyday lives, and for businesses, reaching your target customers and promoting your products or services has never been easier, thanks to the rise of various messaging platforms. In fact, did you know that according to a study conducted by Meta, 55% of the people are feeling more connected to businesses through messaging apps? That's what makes WhatsApp one of the top messaging apps globally, a strong channel for customer engagement and marketing. And to help you step up your WhatsApp marketing, with the help of RocketSend.io Chrome extension, you can extend the out-of-the-box features of WhatsApp to further improve your marketing activities and strategies. You can customize and personalize messages based on your customer list directly from a CSV file, or even attach photos or documents on your messages in just one click. How to use this lightweight and easy to use Chrome extension? For this example, say you are a skincare brand promoting a new product with discount to your target customers. We will be using this message template and this sample poster. To use the RocketSend Chrome extension, just go to RocketSend.io and click the installed Chrome extension. You will be redirected to the Chrome extension store page of RocketSend.io and click Add to Chrome. Next step, after the installation, let's now create and prepare the file that we'll be uploading to RocketSend.io. To do this, open Microsoft Excel and create the headers for phone numbers and the name of each person that you're about to send the message to. After filling out the details needed, save the file in CSV format. To do this, click File, click Save As, choose the location that you want to save the file to, enter the file name that you want, and click the File Type drop-down and select CSV or comma delimited file. And after that, click the Save button. Next up, head to your WhatsApp web and click the Sender button. The RocketSend.io pane will appear on the top right corner of your browser. Click the Upload CSV button and select the file that you saved earlier. Now, RocketSend.io will send messages one by one according to the map column where it should get the phone numbers to use. To properly map the phone numbers for the message sending, click the drop down for Select column with phone numbers and select the column where the phone numbers are saved earlier. After mapping the phone number, we can now create our message. Remember the template that we showed earlier? We will now construct the message with dynamic variables based on the file that we uploaded. To do this, go to the message section of RocketSend.io pane, copy paste the message template, and customize the message based on the variables. And after constructing the message, we will now be attaching the image. To do this, just click the Send Attachment toggle button and click the Attach Image button. And after all has been set, click Send WhatsApp. And that's it. With these easy steps and using the RocketSend.io Chrome extension, you'll be able to promote your products and services to your customers via WhatsApp with ease and personalization. Want to know more about this lightweight and easy to use Chrome extension? Check out the related video on the description box below. Got questions, or do you have any topics that you want us to discuss? Let us know in the comments down below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, and see you on the next video.